this is Roger, thanks for dropping by. Excuse the rain, but us bonsai people in the UK at the moment are getting used to this. We've had rather a lot of it. Anyway, this video is a visit to a secluded woodland, privately owned garden. Now that's not bonsai obviously, but all of us in the bonsai community are aware of the influence from Japan. Japanese gardens, the culture that goes with it. So this video basically is part of a day out yesterday visiting this secluded woodland garden. And basically it's just woodland walks, and it's twisty and bendy, and you turn a bend and it just opens up into a Japanese garden. So that's what it's all about. It's not bonsai, but I believe it's bonsai related, and I hope you enjoy it. Yesterday was quite magical because it's not tourist season. We like that when you live in an area that is, and the sun was out, we had blue sky, and in the whole of the time I was there I saw 6 people. There was nobody there. The place was almost mine to do with as I please, so very peaceful. I hope you enjoy it. It's a lovely place. I will return at different times of the year because it will change quite dramatically as the seasons go. But this is my first visit for about 30 years, literally. It lives between Bournemouth and Poole on the south coast of the UK in a hugely built up area. It's all houses, that area. You know, as I said, there's no join between Bournemouth and Poole, it's just all, you know, residential built up towns and things like that. So this 10-acre woodland is hidden in amongst all of that. There's people that live in the area that don't even know it's there. And I haven't been there for a very, very long time. Quite honestly, the gardens haven't changed that much, apart from maturing over the years, but the buildings have. Lots of new buildings there, nice cafe, there's even a pizza place there now, but they're all out by the car park. They don't interfere with the peace and tranquility of the woodlands. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it, and if you've only just found this particular video on this particular channel, if you're not subscribed, it would be nice if you did so, and don't forget the old thumbs up. It helps the channel grow. And enjoy.